Oh, very good. You're good. Your daughter is very sweet. She told me all about you.
Dijo que tu hija me contó todo de ti.
Sí.
Esto nomás es decimos.
¿Qué me contó?
She's like, what did she say about me?
I'm going to do an exam. That's okay?
¿Está bien eso?
It hurts, right? Okay, put it back. And now less.
Mejor el dolor, ¿verdad? Menos el dolor. Cuando estás sentado así.
Okay.
Tus manos como los pies. Sí, puedes.
And just let your head go forward.
Y deja que tu cabeza se caiga para abajo.
Okay.
Solo.
Okay, head up.
Para arriba, la cabeza.
That's fine. That's fine. Understood. You can relax, or however you're most comfortable.
Que te puedes sentar y relajarte. Como te sientes mejor.
Because if we don't get the motion back in and we don't take the pressure off that joint, this is going to keep going that way, and it's going to keep getting worse. So that's what we're going to nice and relaxed. Feel okay? Good. So right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a correction like this, and my leg will be on your leg. So nice and relaxed. Relax. Bueno. Okay. Use this hand to push up.
Usa la mano para pucharte para arriba, para sentarte.
That was a great set. Walk around.
Camina.
Mucho bueno. Better. Stand up straighter.
Te caminas mejor también.
In her own words, what was different?
Dice en tus propias palabras que es diferente, que sientes diferente.
Me siento más, como más derecha que camino.
She feels more straight when she's walking.
They're trying to tell you that your whole spine is like this.
Ellos están diciendo que tu espalda se mira como esta.
Sí, esto aquí, ellos me pusieron una que estaba bien, todo bien pegado. Que ya estaban todos los de estos bien desgastados. Que ya no tenía nada, todo bien pegado.
She's just saying that they were telling her that the whole spine was like that.
No.
Que lo tenía más que una persona de 85 años dañado.
That it was worse than an 85-year-old.
Incorrect. Not true. Not true.
Cierto.
You have this, maybe one bulge right here, causing all that pain. We won't know without an MRI. MRI is too expensive right now. I think you're going to be better before you even want an MRI. Maybe. What we know is you have one level, L4, L5, one level, like this. Only one, not the whole spine, just one, like that. But this is not moving at all. So we're going to definitely start working down here because she has pain, ridiculous pain, all the way from here and all the way down, which is the classic S1 nerve root. So when that L5, that last lumbar, is on that nerve root, it gets all that pain going down there. So we need to prioritize getting that motion back in that joint as best we can, and then we start to work on advising into pain or no, this way.
I'm Madolol or no? No,
Does it
no
make
pain.
Does it make it better?
Am I mejor así?
Okay, good. We'll hold it here for a second.
Dolor, sí.
Como 8.
8. Y ayer se fue qué?
10 más 10.
Oh.
Mucho.
So when she came in, it was like about an 8, but yesterday was like a 10. And she's at a 5 right now.
Por eso hoy no tomé medicamento para dolor.
Ay, qué bueno.
Now, up, 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 up. Okay.
Oh, eso es bueno.
Down, slow.
Y va abajo.
Good, down, down. Good.
Qué bueno.
Up.
Más suavecito cuando tú haces eso. Así.
Good. Good.
Qué bueno.
Now, help for her to walk herself up.
Y para caminar, hace así. Ajá.
And now, left leg.
Esa pierna, sí. Exacto.
Oh,
Qué bueno. Qué...
podía
Oh,
parar
yeah.
con ella.
Ay, qué bueno. Eso más mejor.
Okay.
The goal here is that it doesn't come back to throbbing. It hurt a little bit, but
Como antes me-
nice. Mucho progreso. Not the Mexican Dr. Yoni. Más dolor en mi español. Un poquito dolor in the foot. Very slight. Good, good.
Y por español. Yo necesito practicar más.
Any dolor? No? Okay.
Qué bueno.
And now stay seated.
Sí, me necesito sentar. Sí. Pon tus manos como... Ya, así. Como... Pega tus manos como así, así. Relax.
They already got what's that?
Ya, I heard it. Respira profundo. Nice. Eso fue bueno.
So I don't get in trouble. How is your sleeping then? How do you sleep at night and how is it getting up in the morning?
¿Cómo está cuando tú duermas en la noche y para levantar en la mañana?
Bien.
Todo bien, tú puedes dormir o tú después tú puedes despertar.
Bien, puedo despertar y me levanto solita y no siento tanto dolor. Nomás un poquito dormido, pero no es dolor. Pero luego se me pasa como en 5 minutos, nomás ando caminando.
Okay, bueno. So she's able to get up by herself and everything like that, and it's not the pain. It like falls asleep. But she starts walking around in 5 minutes. It's gone.
This, that you're doing much better?
Todo el mundo en tu casa como sienta igual que tú haces más mejor ahora.
Sí,
Sí.
porque antes no podía hacer.
Oh, qué bueno. ¿Y tú puedes hacer qué
Ya me
ahora?
puedo bañar a la niña. No podía bañar nada.
So before she wasn't able to take her daughter a bath, like she couldn't even take herself a bath. Now she's able to take herself a bath. She's able to take her daughter a bath. She's able to cook. She's able to get up out of bed. She's able to do a lot more than she used to be.
Okay, go ahead.
Bien trabajo.
Keep walking.
Y empieza. Que me diga el huesos como mueve más mejor. Not intense.
Can you turn?
Eso es más mejor. A ella encanta esto. She thought she wasn't gonna live her life again. Like, didn't think she was gonna get better.
I knew she was gonna get better. How better? How fast?